Welcome everybody, it's Ramchandra from CIVIL-MECH-MATHS Concepts channel. Today I will be discussing about some MCQs prepared by me, challenging MCQs for RRB NTPC in trigonometry. They are useful for SSC JE and also GATE and also UPSC, and these are challenging MCQs in trigonometry which are of the standard of RRB NTPC and SSC. Please view this video till the end and try to grasp the maximum concepts, and I have released almost 5 videos for RRB NTPC mathematics. Please view them, review them and comment for solutions, and also if you like these videos, please subscribe to my channel. Welcome everybody, it's Ramchandra from CIVIL-MECH-MATHS Concepts. CIVIL-MECH-MATHS Concepts. I have released sufficient number of videos for RRB NTPC dealing with trigonometry. On trigonometry, you get some good number of questions coupled with algebra basics, and I have explained the trigonometry identities, compound identities, ratios, and also some algebraic formulae that are required to solve the questions in RRB NTPC regarding trigonometry. Today I will be dealing with the MCQs, and these MCQs, they start from basics. Around 8 MCQs I have given. They are very thought provoking. They may look tough for you, but still a basic understanding of the MCQs and the theory behind it by viewing my earlier lectures on trigonometry for RRB NTPC, you will understand the ease with which you can solve these questions, even though initially they look very tough. I started from basic angles in all these MCQs and went up to compound angles. Now, I have released these MCQs keeping in mind RRB NTPC and SSC examinations like SSC JE, SSC CGL, and also some UPSC examinations like NDA, where we require little bit of trigonometry and some mathematics involving calculations of geometry also. And the first question, it deals with the angle 15 degree. Just see which of the following is correct. Even though we do not exactly know what is the value of trigonometric identities for 15 degrees, let us try to draw a right angle triangle where theta is 30 degrees, A, B, C, and let's bifurcate and let us say this is 15 degree. Angle CAB is equal to 30 degrees. Angle C dash AB, let us say 15 degrees. This diagram I have given for you to understand geometrically what is the meaning of 15 degrees. Let us say it is a y-axis and let us say it is x-axis. The angle between y-axis and x-axis is, let us say it is 90 degrees. Then let us say it is C double dash. Then the angle between this angle is, that is CAC double dash. Angle CAC double dash is equal to 90 minus 15, that is equal to 75 degree. Now the question asked is sin 15, which of the following is true? Sin 15 is less than tan 15 is less than cos 15. From the basics, sin 15 is opposite side by hypotenuse. What is sin 15? Sin 15 is equal to opposite side is BC dash by AC dash. What is cos 15? Cos 15 is equal to adjacent side by AB by AC dash. What is tan 15? Tan 15 is opposite side by adjacent side. What is opposite side? BC dash by adjacent side is AB. Now you tell me, in a triangle, for example, let us take a triangle of this size, depicting the right angle triangle Pythagoras theorem. If this is 3, 4, this is 5, this is A, B, C, and this is theta, you just see hypotenuse is always greater than 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. Hypotenuse is always greater than the either of the adjacent side or opposite side. Now you tell me sin 15 is BC dash by AC dash. In this triangle, we are not calculating the value here. We are just going by the definitions. You just see how beautifully we can solve this question when we understand the concepts well. Sorry, this is 15 degree. A, B, C dash. Now you tell me, when the angle is less, the opposite side, when theta reduces, implies opposite side is reduced. For 30 degrees it is CB. For 15 degrees it is BC dash. BC dash is lesser than BC. As angle reduces, the value of opposite side reduces. An arrow downwards is reducing. This principle you keep in mind. This is for thetas less than 90. I am not talking about the thetas of negative values and beyond 90 degrees. Because we are asked to find out the angles 15 degree, 75 degree, we have to find out the relation which is below 90. When theta reduces, opposite side reduces. And also, hypotenuse is always greater than adjacent side, and hypotenuse is always greater than opposite side for an angle theta which is not equal to 0. Theta is not equal to 0 and theta is less than 90 degrees. These principles we will be applying now. Now you see, sin 15 is BC dash by AC dash. First value is sin 15. Next, cos 15 is AB by AC dash. AB by AC dash. And cos value and sin value cannot be more than 1. For the given conditions of theta, sin theta or cos theta cannot be more than 1. This is another principle. Please remember this. That means, please see this. I am explaining the theory first. Sin 15 is equal to BC dash by AC dash, which is less than 1, implies BC dash is less than AC dash. And cos 15 is also less than, cos 15 is equal to AB by AC dash, that is less than 1. That implies AB is less than AC dash. That means AB is also less than AC dash and BC dash is also less than AC dash. These are the principles from this. Then as the angle reduces, you just see, please see this. For 30 degrees, what are the values? It is 1, it is root 3, it is 2, which we have already got from our basics. Now, for 15 degrees what happens? The adjacent side does not change. But as the theta reduces, opposite side reduces. That means opposite side will be lesser than 1. Lesser than 30. As theta reduces, opposite side is reducing. But adjacent side is not changing. That means my adjacent side AB, or we can even say my opposite side BC dash is less than AB. This is from this triangle. Now you tell me, sin 15 is BC dash by AC dash. It is some value x, let us say. Tan 15 BC dash by AB. And cos 15 AB by AC dash. Now AB is bigger or BC dash is bigger? Just see, just now we have derived that BC dash is greater than AB. No, BC dash is less than AB. That means AB is greater than BC dash. When AB is greater than BC dash, what happens? AC dash sin 15 by cos 15. Cos 15 degrees. Just see what happens. BC dash by AB. BC dash by AC dash by AB by AC dash will go away, BC dash by AB. But AB is greater than BC dash. That means sin 15 by cos 15 is less than 1. Sin 15 degrees by cos 15 degrees is equal to BC dash by AB, because AB is greater than BC dash. BC dash by AB, which implies sin 15 by cos 15 is equal to BC dash by AB. BC dash by AB is less than 1, which implies sin 15 is less than cos 15. That means one relation we have got, that sin 15 is less than cos 15, without finding the real values. Now, we have to see that whether sin 15 is less than tan 15. This relation is already established. Now we have to see sin 15 whether it is less than tan 15 or not. Now you just see, what is sin 15? Sin 15 is BC dash by AC dash. What is tan 15? BC dash by AB. Now compare AC dash and AB. AC dash and AB, when you compare, AC dash is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is always greater than AB, that we already know. AC dash is always greater than AB, which implies BC dash numerator is same for sin 15 and tan 15, which implies AC dash is always greater than AB. That means sin 15 and denominator is always high, means the value is less. Denominator high means value is less. That means sin 15 is always less than tan 15. Without finding the values, we got the answer. This is the answer. Answer is A. Definitely it took time, but it is concept based. We have not calculated anything. We have done it on the basis of the concepts. Answer is A. If you couldn't get the concept, please try to see my previous videos and repeat this question again and see my video repeatedly. Make your own notes and make a logic of it. Sometimes mathematical problems can be solved by logic rather than finding the real values. This logic you will come to know very easily once you understand the concepts. Now, another logical question. Tan 2a is equal to 1. Second question. Tan 2a is given as 1. The value of sin 22.5 is what? First you feel that tan 2a is given, and now nobody is asking me about sin a or sin b or cos a, tan a, cot a. Where this a is gone? And how can I relate 2a with 22.5 degree? What is that relation? Until and unless you understand that relation, you will go with the answer of data insufficient. That's not the correct answer. Here sufficient data is given. You are supposed to interpret the data, because in this page we don't have space. I will go into the next page and solve it. Tan 2a, just see, tan 2a is equal to 1. When tan of some theta will be 1, let us say this 2a is theta. When some angle of tan is 1, when theta is equal to 45 degrees. Because tan 45 is equal to, tan 45 is equal to 1. That implies 2a is equal to 45 degree. That implies a is equal to 22.5 degree, 45 by 2. That implies a is equal to 22.5 degrees. That means sin 22.5 degrees is equal to sin a. That means tan 2a value is given. We have to find the value of sin a. Now, from the basics, what is tan 2a? Tan 2a is equal to tan a 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a, which implies tan 2a is 1. 1 is equal to 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. That implies, by cross multiplication, 1 minus tan square a is equal to 2 tan a. That means tan square a plus 2 tan a minus 1 is equal to 0. If tan a is equal to x, that implies x square plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Solve this equation, quadratic equation, solve this and give me the value. X square plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Solve this. X is equal to root 2 minus 1. Because x should be a positive value. Because tan 2a is a positive value given. X is equal to root 2 minus 1. What is x? This is nothing but tan a. That is equal to sin a by cos a. Now what is cos a? Sin a by cos a is equal to sin a by square root of 1 minus sin square a is equal to root 2 minus 1. Do you agree? Which involves again solving the quadratic equation. Sin A is equal to root 2 minus 1 into square root of 1 minus sin square A. Solving this, you take it as a homework and get the answer. Now, this is one way you can do. Is there any other way? Take sin A as x. X is equal to root 2 minus 1 into square root of 1 minus x square. Let us say y. Sin A is equal to y. Y is equal to root 2 minus 1 into square root of 1 minus y square. Then get the value of y. That is sin A. Did you understand? Now, geometrically, there is another way to solve this. Try this method also. Why I am leaving the answers to you? The reason being, if you solve this carefully, then you just see here. What is tan A? Tan A is equal to root 2 minus 1. Correct? That's what you have got. Let us say adjacent side is 1 and this is this. What will be the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse will be this square plus this square, square root of 1 square plus square root of 2 minus 1, this whole square. Correct? Then this will be, you just see, instead of going from the, once you have found the tan A, from tan A what way adjacent side I have assumed as 1 and opposite side will be root 2 minus 1, and so that tan A will be root 2 minus 1 by 1, that is equal to root 2 minus 1 tan A. I got this. Now I have to find sin A. To find sin A, I have to get the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse value is equal to adjacent side square plus opposite side square to the power of square root. Then sin A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse square root of 1 square plus 2 plus 1, square root of 2 square is equal to 2 minus 1 whole square is equal to, I am expanding this one, square root of 2 minus 1 whole square minus 2 into square root of 2. Just see. Root 2 minus 1 whole divided by whole square root by 4 minus 2 root 2. What is the answer? Answer is root 2 minus 1 by 4 minus 2 root 2. This is the answer. B is the answer. This question is found out by me only. It is created by me for you, your better understanding, and solved by me. If you do not understand, if you want any further help, I am ready to help you. Put your queries in the comments column. Now you just see. I am not here teaching you definitions alone. I am giving an insight. These are all very simple problems if you have the clear understanding what is trigonometry. Now, third question. You may find these questions as tedious, but try to do them. Once you do these 8 questions on your own, then you see that you will do every question, almost all the questions in trigonometry being asked in this RRB NTPC examination. That is the depth with which I prepared this content for you. You will be able to do once you understand the total concepts of these questions. How you apply your knowledge in the examination, that also depends upon your scoring. How you apply your knowledge there. This is the depth to which the questions may be asked. I have coupled algebra with trigonometry. I have seen some questions are there on trigonometry, coupling algebra and trigonometry. And in-depth questions I have given you. Third question. Which of the following is true? He is asking about radian. There are 2 systems of angle measurement. One system is degree, another system is radian. There are other systems also. We usually use radians and degree. Now, let us draw a circle. Let us draw a circle. Now, let us say R is the radius of the circle. From your preliminary knowledge, you please tell me what is the circumference of the circle? Circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r. Do you agree to it? This you heard in your 7th class, 8th class or 10th class mathematics. Very simple. 2 pi r, where r is the radius and 2 pi r. Where pi is the value, what is the pi value? Pi is equal to 22 by 7. That is equal to 3.414 or something like that. Let's not bother about the numerical value of pi. 3.141. We can say this is equal to 22 by 7 is equal to. This is what our teachers have taught us. You also might have learnt in your childhood. The circumference is equal to 2 pi by r, where pi is equal to 22 by 7, 3.141. Now, what is the meaning of circumference? That means we are starting from here, moving around the circle and coming back to original again. That means we are starting from here, moving around the circle and coming back to original position. The total length is 2 pi r. Now, let us say theta. That is when we are moving We'll start from theta is equal to 0 to we move like this, and we'll come back when theta is equal to 360 degrees. That means a circle has an angle of 360 degrees. Please try to understand this. When r is the radius of the circle, r can be arbitrary, any value. When it makes an angle, when you start moving along the circle from 0 degrees to 360 degrees, it is treated as that you have completed one circumference round of the circle. And the angle that is measured in degrees is 360 degrees. When you try to measure the same angle in radians, 360 degrees is equal to 2 pi radians. Please remember this. From this concept, this value has come. From this concept, this value has come. Then 2 pi radians is equal to 360 degrees, which implies 1 radian is equal to 360 by 2 pi. You know the value of pi? That means 360 by 2 into 3.141. That is equal to 360 divided by 2 divided by 3.141. That is equal to 57.3 degrees. 1 radian is equal to 57.3 degrees. That means 1 radian is a constant angle. This is the answer. Answer is A. 57.3 degrees. This is answer is A. Radian is a ratio of arc and radius. It is not a constant. No, it is not like that. Radian is 180 by 2 pi. No, it is 360 by 2 pi. Please remember this value. 1 radian is equal to 360 by 2 pi. How it has come, I have already shown you. Hence answer is A. This is simple. Now, next question involves you with compound angles. Next question involves compound angles. Cos theta plus cos square theta is equal to 0. It is given. Then we have to find out 2 cos theta plus cos 2 theta is how much. First condition given, because I don't have place in the previous page, I will write condition is given cos theta plus cos 2 theta is equal to 0. Agreed? What is cos 2 theta? Cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. That is equal to, in terms of cos square theta, we can write cos square theta minus 1 minus cos square theta. Sin square theta is nothing but 1 minus cos square theta. That is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Cos 2 theta is equal to, it can be written as like this also. Now, can I replace this value with 2 cos square theta minus 1? Then the equation becomes cos theta plus 2 cos square theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Do you agree? This is nothing but, let us say, x plus 2x square minus 1 is equal to 0. 2x square plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Do you agree to this? Solve it. 2x square plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. This implies from our basic algebra either x is equal to minus 1 or x is equal to half. You can check the answer. From the given condition, cos 2 theta is equal to minus cos theta. Let us say cos theta is equal to half. Let us take this value, positive value. Then cos 2 theta will be minus half. What we wanted? 2 cos theta plus cos 2 theta. Or we can take cos theta is equal to minus 1. Anything we can take. If we take this, then it will be cos 2 theta is equal to minus 1. And if we take cos theta is minus 1, then cos 2 theta is equal to plus 1. Now, what we have to find out? 2 cos theta plus cos 2 theta. 2 cos theta plus cos 2 theta is equal to how much? That is equal to 2 cos theta. 2 cos theta means 2 into half. Let us take this value first. Let us see. 2 into half plus cos 2 theta is minus half. That means 1 minus half, that is equal to half. Is there any answer? No, there is no answer. Then we will go for 2 cos theta plus cos 2 theta. Let us say this value, we will take cos theta as minus 1. That means 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 plus cos 2 theta is equal to plus 1. That is equal to minus 1. That means either you get this answer or you get this answer. And from the alternatives, you have to choose the given alternative. Hence, the answer is D. Even though you get two answers for the same problem, you cannot just blindly put the answer. You have to see whether that particular answer is given in the alternatives or not. The second value is given in the alternatives. Hence, 2 cos theta plus cos 2 theta is minus 1. D is the answer. There is a trick here. You understood. First you are supposed to understand the compounding angle, solve the equation. From there you will get the two values. Out of two values, you have to see which value is relevant for the given answers. The value relevant is cos theta is equal to minus 1. That is the answer. Now, next question. These are all the questions made by me, not taken from any book. Please try to understand this and try to get the concepts very clear for you. These are all conceptual questions, not by hearting problems. These are all conceptual, concept based. Now, solve for theta. Given cos theta plus phi is equal to cos theta minus phi for any angle phi. What is this? Cos theta plus phi is equal to cos theta minus phi for any angle phi. Let us draw it first. Here we can't just draw the triangle because plus theta minus theta both are there. Let us draw the circle. Let us say this is phi. Any angle phi. We have to find the angle theta. This angle is theta plus phi. Then what about theta minus phi? If this is theta, then theta plus phi. Now another thing, theta minus phi we have to see. That angle also we have to measure. Then can you please try to recollect from your basics what is cos A plus B? Cos theta plus phi is equal to cos theta sin phi minus sin theta cos phi. Cos A plus B is equal to cos A sin B minus sin A cos B. Do you agree? Then what is cos theta minus phi? Cos theta sin phi plus sin theta cos phi. Both are equal. That means cos theta sin phi minus sin theta cos phi is equal to cos theta sin phi plus sin theta cos phi. Now you just see, this will go, once it comes, left hand side goes to right hand side, it implies 2 sin theta cos phi is equal to 0, which implies sin theta into cos phi is equal to 0. For any value of phi, sin theta is equal to 0 by cos phi. For any angle phi, for any value of phi, that means except for trivial values, we have to write except for trivial solutions. Sin theta is equal to 0 by cos phi, that is equal to 0. 0 by something is equal to 0. Sin theta, when it will be 0, either implies theta is equal to 0 or theta is equal to pi. Then theta pi by 4, it's not correct. Theta pi by 2, it's not correct. Here it is, sin theta value will be 1 by root 2. Here sin theta we should get 0. Here sin theta is equal to 1. Here sin theta is equal to 0. That means the answer is C. You see, you have to think and answer the questions. You cannot just like that answer the questions. You have to think and answer the questions. Now, similarly, we will go for another question which is similar to the previous one. The value of this, I am not going to solve it. You please solve. If you want, a particular person wants a solution, I will be able to give that solution, provided I will be able to give the solution if you put a comment, but provided you please try. You please try on your own. I have given you sin theta minus cosecant theta whole square plus cos theta minus secant theta whole square minus tan square theta minus cot square theta is equal to how much? Please try to do. What is cosecant theta? Cosecant theta is nothing but 1 by sin theta. We just say, I will give a hint, sin theta minus cosecant theta whole square is equal to sin square theta minus 2. 2 into sin theta into cosecant theta is 1 plus cosecant square theta. Then cos theta minus secant square theta. Secant theta whole square is equal to cos square theta plus secant square theta minus 2. Then sin square this whole, if you add, what happens? This becomes, I am giving you hint, this becomes sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 minus 2 plus cosecant square theta plus secant square theta minus 2 plus cosecant square theta plus secant square theta minus tan square theta minus cot square theta. I have told you many times the relations between tan square theta, secant square theta and cot square theta and cosecant square theta. 1 plus tan square theta, what is that value? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. That means secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. That means this value will be, almost I have done it, secant square theta minus tan square theta. Then cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is 1. That means it will be 1 minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1. This answer will be, this is plus 1, sorry. This is plus 1 plus 1. Plus 1 plus 1. Then this plus 1 plus 1, this minus 2 will go. 1 minus 2, that is equal to minus 1. Answer is minus 1. Is this minus 1 for any value of theta? We have not defined any value here. Hence, this minus 1 is for any value of theta. For confusing, they may give answers like this, for a particular value of theta. We have not gone for a particular value of theta. For any value of theta, this answer is minus 1. The answer is minus 1. C is the answer. Now, let us go for a similar question. Sin cube theta plus cos cube theta is equal to 0. Then what it is? Similar type question I have done. What you call cos theta plus cos square theta is equal to 0, then value of 2 cos theta plus cos 2 theta. In the similar terms, you can go for this. Do it as homework. I have done 6 questions. I am giving 7 and 8 as homework. Do it as homework. Try to interpret. Try to interpret. What is sin cube theta plus cos cube theta? How do you write? Try to get the answer. You just see, sin cube theta plus cos cube theta we have converted into cos theta, 3 theta, sin 3 theta. Can we do that? I will give the answer, but I will not give the solution. You please try to find out the solution for compounding by using the compounding equation. Sin 3 theta is equal to sin theta plus 2 theta, and cos 3 theta is equal to cos theta plus 2 theta, and cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta, and sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. And if, another thing also hint I will give, if sin theta is equal to some value x, that means theta is equal to sin inverse x. With these hints, you try to solve this question. I will give the answer. D is the answer. D is the correct answer. Try to find out, solve it on your own. Next question also, use the same principle as I told you. For tan theta, tan 2 theta is equal to tan theta plus theta, tan 3 theta is equal to tan theta plus 2 theta, tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Use this tan 2 theta. Use this and find out if tan theta is equal to some x, implies theta is equal to tan inverse x. Use these concepts and try to find the value of theta. For this, I will give the answer, but I will not give the solution, full solution, because I want you people to do it on your own. It's not that I will be doing everything on my own and giving you solutions. Mathematics can be learnt only by doing mathematics, not by listening, not by viewing, not by copying. You have to do some problems on your own. When you do the problems on your own only, you will appreciate the importance of the mathematics. The answer I can give you. The answer is A. A is the answer. Have you got it? You do it on your own. Answer is A. And please try to see my previous lectures for RRB NTPC and also for SSC JE. This mathematics, SSC CGL, these are all useful for even for GATE examination, UPSC examination also, especially regarding trigonometry. These questions are in-depth questions. Try to understand them, involve yourself, try to solve the question, and it may take some time to solve, but once you solve these questions, you can be confident of the clearing of the concepts and you will be able to do better in the examination. But however, it depends upon your understanding level of the concepts. I have explained the concepts in about 5 lectures till now on RRB NTPC. Please see them and solve these questions one by one. If you see how in depth the problems are there, and once you understand, like sin 15 is less than tan 15 is less than cos 15, but the same thing may not be true for sin 75, tan 75 and cos 75. There is no typical formula for it. It is that you have to understand the concept and do the problem. Similarly, tan 2a is equal to 1, the value of sin 22.5 is a is equal to 22.5. We have solved it. We got the two values, and at two steps we have to solve two types of algebraic equations, and we have solved it and we got the value. And the value of 1 radian is a constant angle, that is 57.3 degrees, and other values are wrong. Then if cos theta, some combination of cos thetas are given, you want a combination of compound angles, we can derive them by using that concepts. And similarly, cos theta plus some angle is given, cos theta minus phi, then what is the value of theta? We have got it. And the combinations of sin square theta, cos square theta, sin plus cosecant theta whole square, all these also we have solved. Now we have gone to the cubic polynomial of trigonometry polynomials in cubic form, and we got that values also, and also compounding values up to theta, 2 theta and 3 theta. Once you got the concepts very clear, then you can solve all these problems, and best of luck to everybody, and thanks for listening to my lecture. With this I will conclude the trigonometry chapter. Then I will move on to the most important and the basic foundation, that is algebra, in the next lecture. And once we get the concepts very clear in algebra, then the arithmetic like percentages, ratios and all those things will be very, very easy for you. And then lastly we move on to geometry, because these are all the things which, as far as mathematics is concerned, quantitative aptitude is concerned, in RRB NTPC, these are the questions being asked. And even they are useful for GATE also, and they are useful for SSC JE, quantitative aptitude or general intelligence. I am not talking about the general knowledge. It is aptitude, general aptitude, and also for other competitive exams like RRB, other examinations, SSC, and also GATE examination and UPSC examinations. These are all prelims. The concepts for the prelims are very, very important. It's not by hearting the formula, it is understanding the concepts. Let's go and conclude this session of trigonometry. We'll move on to algebra in the next lecture. In the next lecture, we'll be moving on to algebra. Best of luck to everybody. It's Ramchandra from CIVIL-MECH-MATHS Concepts. Try to understand the concepts. I put the channel name as concepts because you people have to understand the concepts for civil engineering, mechanical engineering and also mathematics. CIVIL-MECH-MATHS Concepts. Then you will be able to do better in your examination. These are all whatever lectures I give. These are all useful for RRB NTPC. Keeping that RRB NTPC examination in point of view, I have made these lectures, and these are useful for SSC and GATE and also for UPSC examinations. Best of luck to everybody. Please view my previous lectures also. Almost 30 lectures I have put on this SSC JE and also GATE and also this RRB and TPC, which are almost everything is interrelated. Try to get the grasp of the mathematics. And these questions are these whatever questions I have given, they are all in-depth questions, conceptual questions. Please try to understand them. And view all my almost 30 videos which I have released. Listen to them, view them, review them and comment on them. Any doubts if you have, please write to me. I will be definitely helping you and giving answers to you. Please, in the comment section, you please give your comments and ask me questions. I will be able to answer them. Thank you. Best of luck to everybody. Please subscribe to my channel so that I will be releasing these lectures on regular basis, not only for keeping this RRB and TPC 2025, maybe for 2026, 2027, whoever people preparing for the long term also, these lectures will be useful. Please see as a long term, also for long term preparation also, these are all useful for you. Best of luck. Thanks a lot for listening to me. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.